plane or not because it's so windy. He keeps looking around, he's debating. Let's see if he's actually gonna do it. Oh, here we go. Oh, yep. Uh-oh, crap, I lost it. Oh, there it is. Oh, did I lose it again? Nope, there it is. I'm trying to chase a friggin' hummingbird here. He doesn't know I'm videotaping this, so if he lands it, let's hope he nails the landing. So then he can feel awfully cool. But I got it on video once he finds out. Or maybe I'll run out of memory first. I don't know. Got like another 15 seconds. Oh, come on, Mikey, land it. Maybe. I think he's showing off now. Oh, here we go.